You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know it's a very confusing word. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing, the pronunciation, I've got more videos for you. The British English pronunciation, stay tuned. Gnawed is how the British English would say it. This is the past tense or participle of the verb gnaw. Gnawed would be the British English pronunciation. In the US, the Americans say it as gnawed. It's easy once you know, gnawed or gnawed, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.